right here is why you should be very careful when using canned air. I can tell by looking at this person has used canned air. I'm going to point out a few things here. Some of this may have fallen when I turned it up, but only a little bit of it. This may have fallen out of place when I turned it up. That definitely did. That did not. That was blown there by canned air. That was blown there by canned air. That was blown there by canned air. All of this was blown in there with canned air. Now, why does that matter? This right here is a sensor, okay? It senses what the machine's doing, and in fact, that is a sensor for your feed dog system. This is an electronic machine. Let me see if I can get this in there. This wheel tells this board through this little sensor right here what's going on with the feed dog system. I guarantee you that it's not accurately or correctly reading what's going on. Part of the reason that this is in here is because her feed dogs are not properly feeding when the machine is making specialty designs. I can almost guarantee you that that is a huge reason why this machine is not properly working. Lint and stuff getting up in here can cause a lot of problems. If it gets into some of these coils and shorts them out, you'll ruin your machine. It's not a matter of fixing it. If the parts are even available, that fix would be way too expensive, because you've got to, the way the wires and everything hook to it. Yeah, it's just more than likely I couldn't get the parts to repair it anyway. They only put certain parts out there, make certain parts available for these machines. So using canned air can be very dangerous if you don't do it properly. If you'd like to know how to properly do it, I do have a guide on it. Anyway, just be very careful when you're cleaning your machine using canned air and stuff, because it can definitely mess your machine up. Y'all have a great day.